Hello guys, this is Mohammad Huzaifa from Forex Pros. Today we'll be discussing how to make $100k from $200 in 365 days. Do watch this complete video because at the end of the video we will be making an announcement, and if you're new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel because we post daily analysis and learning material which has been proved quite useful for people around the globe. You can also join our Telegram channels to get daily signal updates and news updates about the forex market. The link is in the description. So, coming to the point, a lot of people think that if you want big profits, you need big investments. Well, that's not the case. You need only two things to be a successful trader and a rich person. You need planning and patience. As you have seen in our channel that we were able to grow $5,000 account to $60,000 in just 1 month with proper planning. So today I'll be sharing a simple technique, a simple planning and patience technique which you could adopt and grow your $200 account to $100,000 account in a year. So starting with $200, how much can you make daily risk free? By risk free, I mean using the minimal lot size, gaining minimum profit. My guess is $10 is something that even a new trader which is not very experienced can easily make with $200. So, but our target will be $8 daily, that is 4% of your capital $200. You need to make $8 every single day for the first month, that is 4% of your equity. So I don't think that's a difficult thing to do. If you want help in making $8 daily, you can join our Telegram channel to get the daily signals update, and you can use our signals to earn daily $8 easily. Now $8 daily, we have 20 trading days in a month. So if you earn $8 for the 20 days, you will get $160 profit, that is 80% of your capital, which was $200, and your new equity will be $360. So easily, just by trading risk free, you are making 80% of your capital in a single month. Now after the first month you will have $360. On $360 you will need to make 8% of $360, that is $15 every single day for 20 days. Then you will have $648. Similarly, on $648 you will be making $25 daily. Earning $25 on a $648 account is something that everyone can do. You just need patience. You just need to wait for the right chance to the market, for the market to give you, so that you can take your trade, get your $25, and then wait for the next 24 hours. You will be gaining 80% each month, and after 11 months your equity will be $128,536, that is over $100,000, and this is all in 11 months, not even a complete year. So this is a simple strategy which you can use. You just need patience. You just need to know how much you need to trade. If you're making $8 a day, don't go for $16 a day, don't go for $10 a day. Just keep your target and try to achieve that. So we will be growing this account of $170 to $100,000 in less than a year. We will be posting the update of this account each week, so that you could see that how easily an account can be grown from $200 to $100,000 in less than a year. We also grew an account of $5,000 to $60,000, and we posted every single trade that we put on that account. The history is available in our Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Now, if we get good feedback on this video, we will start complete forex course online, starting from the very basics which a person needs to know to start trading. We will talk about what is forex, what is trading, what is a pair, what is a base pair, what is a quote currency. We will talk about every single basics, and then move to the most advanced level and completely free. We just need good feedback on the video. You need to comment below, and we will surely start the complete forex course online from the next week. Do like and subscribe and join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description.